Are you a beef and tomato lover like me? Well guys, this recipe is for you. Hello guys! How are you today? I requested this dish. Hope you like it! Let us start preparing our tomatoes. Cut them into 4 parts like this. By the way guys, the list of ingredients is posted at the end of the video. Next, let's slice the bell pepper. Remove the seeds, but do not throw the seeds. Pwede niyo siyang itanim. Peel the skin of the onion and do not slice it. Balatan naman natin ngayon ang mga potatoes. Huwag din natin ikakat. Buo lang natin siya ilalagay. Yan guys, pagsamasamahin na natin sila. Of course, wash them thoroughly before putting them into a pot. Ngayon, mag-add naman tayo ng light soy sauce. Also add tomato sauce. Konti lang guys para madagdagan ang kulay ng ating niluluto. Of course, do not forget your dried bay leaf. Okay din if fresh bay leaf. Now let's add black pepper and salt to taste. Let us add the beef meat. Nahuhulaan nyo na ba guys ano ang lulutuin natin? In this dish, magandang gamitin ang kalitiran part ng baka kasi madaling lumambot. We are using slow cooker kasi gusto ni Daddy ng malambot ang karne at kapit na kapit ang lasa. If wala kayo slow cooker, you can use any cooking pan. Pwede din pressure cooker para mas mabilis lumambot. Haluin lang natin siya guys, then hayaan natin hanggang maluto. It is very easy and quick to prepare and cook. Let us make a slurry by combining 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 80 ml of water, then just stir it. Gagamitin natin ng slurry sa pampalapot ng ating sauce. Let us add the slurry. Mix well. Then simmer for another 10 minutes. Ayan guys, luto na siya. At mukhang super tender ng ating karne. Now let us serve our beef mechado. Yes guys, it's mechado. Mapaparami na naman kayo ng kain ng rice niyan. Let us see if tender nga siya. Look at that! Sobrang lambot at yummy! Isa pa! Ang sarap eh! Very flavorful! And guys, ang list of ingredients. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!